Our business department's goal is to prepare every kid for a career and to be a prominent member of our society.
We learned so many key skills to making a business. I feel like I could make my own business right now.
For our accounting classes, we teach them about the basics of debits and credits, about where your money goes in a business.
We use QuickBooks, which is a software that's used kind of around the board by accountants.
Survey of Business is a chance for kids to learn a little bit about all of Microsoft Office.
You get certified in Excel and Word and just all the different Microsoft programs.
This certification is the same certification that businesses require of their employees. Our management class is the study of people.
Management actually teaches you a lot about leadership and just how to work as a team better.
We walk them through all the different parts of how to work with people and how to build a team that works together and ultimately strives for whatever business goal they have.
It teaches you a lot of the things that you really need in life. It's really helpful and it's actually a really good way to get prepared for the future.
In marketing business enterprise, you learn how to market yourself and market what you're selling.
This class takes students through all the different facets of business, from conception of it, what do I do next, then to how does marketing work.
And you learn how to operate with the stock market because we play a live stock market game where you get to buy and sell stocks.
Small business operations is a class that students can take after they have had marketing business enterprise. Students have to take the public relations skills that they've learned throughout the other classes, and they would do a PR event on campus. They have to learn a skill set on their own, and then they have to do a vacant lot project. They create the idea, but they put a business virtually in that location.
You're putting that all into play and it feels real. This will set you up for so much success.
We encourage all students to take a business class. We feel that our classes will provide you with the essential skills that you need when you graduate. No matter what career choice you go into, you will always find that something useful in our classes that you can take with you in order to help you advance, whether as a leader or as a person.